Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and power. Check the bulb label for 4 GHz or hub needs, then screw in and power on. Once done, open the manufacturer app and create an account if you don't have one. The app discovers devices and often uses Bluetooth first. Make sure your phone's Wi-Fi and location are on so the app can detect the bulb. After the app finds the light, tap Add Device and follow any on-screen pairing prompts to begin configuration. Once the bulb appears, select your 4 GHz network and enter the password. Many smart bulbs won't work on 5 GHz. After connection, name the device with a clear room label so voice assistants recognize it. Make sure to install any firmware update the app offers. Updates fix bugs and add features. Then create a group or scene. Combine multiple bulbs for one zone and set color, temperature, and brightness to establish your baseline lighting behavior. To finish, set schedules and automations so the lights act without your intervention. Use sunset triggers for evening scenes and timed routines for wake and sleep. Next, integrate voice control by linking the bulb's account to your voice assistant and assigning room names, then test basic commands. If something goes wrong, reset the bulb and retry pairing, power cycle, or use the manufacturer reset sequence, confirm you're on the 4 GHz network, and move the bulb nearer the router.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.